Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another daily video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and happy Saturday. Today's video is going to be on this Cavalry Blue Tundra Double Cab. This is a 2020 model. We'll also be throwing in small various clips of other vehicles like this Tacoma here that we're doing a TRD Pro Grille on. This Tundra is in for a set of Kings front and rear coilovers and shocks, along with some rear lift shackles and some Icon delta joint upper control arms. Of course, we're also doing a BMC to clear some 35-inch BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2 tires on here with some fill vector wheels. Also going to be installing a set of front and rear TRD sway bars along with some amp research electric side steps. As soon as the vehicle is up on the rack, the wheels and tires are removed and the TPMS sensors are removed from them to swap over to the new fill vector wheels. Our shop is located here in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to reach out to us by phone during regular business hours or send us a message through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description. Out with the old and in with the new. These are the fill vectors in an 18x9 plus 20 offset in a matte black finish. Bolt pattern on here, if you're curious, is a 5x150. Tires are 35 12.5 18s BFGoodrich all-terrain KO2s. Our techs are seen here installing the front and rear sway bars. Now that all the suspension components have been installed and the rear wheels and tires are on, we bring the vehicle down slightly so we can do the body mount chop. And this is what the finished BMC looks like. I ended up not being able to record the installation of the amp electric side steps. I had to leave the shop early that day, but one of the techs actually recorded the finished product outside when it was complete. Here it is. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. Make sure to comment, like, share, and once again, subscribe please.